Welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. And today I'm going to teach you Bangalore's famous Donne Biryani and mine too. This biryani is very flavorful and the main secret lies in the green masala paste, the secret, which I'm going to reveal in just a minute. So without further ado, let's see how this is done. Let's take 1 kg of chicken, that's big chunks of a meat I have taken and given a gashes like this, and add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 cup of curd or yogurt and some rock salt and mix well. You should marinate this meat for a minimum of 1 hour. First, let's put on the fire and keep a pan and let it get heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil seems to be heated well. For this we'll add 4 cardamom, a pinch of stone flower, half inch of cinnamon stick, 6 to 7 cloves, half a teaspoon of peppercorns and 2 pieces of star anise, some ginger and some garlic. Let's roast. And for this, let's add some green chilies according to your heat and add some onions. Saute till the onions get translucent. Well, and now the onion seems to be fried well, and now we'll add in a bunch of mints and a bunch of coriander leaves. Let's mix. Saute for another 30 seconds or 1 minute. And now let's allow this mixture to cool, and then we'll transfer to a blender and make a fine paste sort of. And now let's add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds and dry roast them for 1 minute and add it in the mixture. Let's lit on the fire. Keep a heavy bottomed vessel and let it get heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 spoon of ghee, that's clarified butter. And now we'll take all the dry spices, that's star anise, Marathi moggu, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and some maize. We'll run it in a mortar and pestle. We'll crush it and then add to the oil. The oil is nice and heat. Now add whole garam masala and some kasturi methi and add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes away. And now add some bay leaf. Saute. And now let's add the onions and fry until it's brown. And for this, let's add in the green masala paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. And now let's add in the marinated chicken. Saute nicely. And now let's add in the remaining salt. Keep in mind we have added to the marinate also. And squeeze in 1 lemon. And mix well. And after 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix again. And at this stage, I have taken the jirga sambar rice which has been soaked for around 30 minutes. Now let's add in the soaked rice into the mixture. And mix gently. And now let's add in 3 glasses of water. I have taken 2 cups of rice which has been soaked. For that I am taking 3 cups of water. The 1 cup would be given by the meat and the soaked rice itself. And mix well. Let this cook and come to a boil. And now the water seems to be get boiling. Now let's place a griddle underneath it. Let's place a griddle. Now let's place the vessel and close the lid and cook for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, let's open the lid. Wow! Look at this. Mix gently. Don't mix too much. This is cooked perfectly. Wow, just awesome. Now it's time to plate. Wow, the smell, the aroma has filled the entire house today. The meat is cooked perfectly and it's literally falling out of its bone. Look how beautiful it is. It is one of the most flavorful rices you can have. Oh my god. This is that damn good. That's the reason why it's so famous in Bangalore. You need to try this in your home and let me know. This one is for you. Awesome. I have shared my secret recipe of Donne Biryani today. This is actually served with a Donne which we made from banana leaves, which is machine pressed. So if you like my work, then please do subscribe to my channel. I will keep bringing you more such yummy videos like this. So please do subscribe to my channel and we'll meet you in next session. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya signing off. Jai Hind.